From sun-kissed fields to the sizzling heartbeat of modern machinery, this is the journey of every drop of tomato ketchup.
Precision begins at harvest.
De nootje honger inval. Zie je? Bij them, there was Spanish organization. That's a very important key.
Advanced harvesters separate fruit from soil with precise mechanical hands. Human precision meets machine efficiency. Quality begins here, among the farmers. From fertile soil to the highway of progress, the journey moves forward.
Each load carries the promise of pure, sun-ripened perfection, destined for transformation.
And so begins the transition, from the field to the gates of modern technology.
Every crate is logged, weighed, and tracked at home.
Precision. Every fruit is handled with precision, minimizing waste, maximizing freshness. Gravity, timing, and technology orchestrate the next act. Purification begins. From farm mud to engineered uniformity, the tomatoes are ready for cleansing and transformation.
Purity begins here, under jets of precision cleaning that strip away every trace of the field.
Soft bubbles do what brushes cannot, preserving the skin, protecting the flavor. From water's embrace to dry efficiency rapid, moisture wields to meticulous airflow.
Artificial eyes scan for the smallest imperfection, purity confirmed by pixels and precision.
Even in the age of automation, human sight and judgment define true quality. Purified, sorted, and ready in elite. The transformation from fruit to essence is about to begin. Steel blades reduce the harvest into pure essence glance, the true heart of tomato transformation.
Precision heating secures natural color and flavor. Eureka, a marriage of science and art. Filtered, refined, and clarified fin. Every impurity left behind, every drop perfected.
Guided through arteries of precision, the lifeblood of ketchup gains uniform consistency.
Uniformity achieved by force, a consistent body that defines world-class ketchup.
Through pressure and heat balance, liquid becomes density flore. The flavor of excellence begins to form. Essence meets balance, where nature's sweetness and acidity merge in quantified perfection.
In these vessels, chemistry and craftsmanship fuse, texture, taste, and tone unified.
Every wave of heat secures stability, every second tuned for consistency. Precision under vacuum, eliminating air to perfect flow and formula. Measured, tested, and approved, shined. Science confirms what tradition demands.
Thick, rich, and ready, the perfected ketchup now awaits its moment of final transformation. Automation takes command. Every valve, every flow, calculated to the millisecond. Minds of code and steel prepare for the flawless flow. Robotics reshaping rhythm and speed.
Sealed under watchful precision, the essence of uniformity, now protected within every glass vessel.
Automation ensures perfection without pause, where efficiency becomes an invisible art form. Light itself exposes purity, revealing sugars, acids, and color in perfect symphony. Invisible worlds examined, ensuring every spoonful meets the safety of human trust.
Measured by torque and flow, the texture speaks of balance, creamy yet steadfast.
Machines define precision, but human senses crown perfection.
With every metric passed, science certifies purity.
the Ketchup is ready for the world beyond these walls. From individual precision to collective order chaos, bound for distribution, perfected in form.
Data confirms quality, but the human touch ensures confidence. The harmony of precision and assurance.
Strength meets choreography. Akfanivo. Mechanical grace shapes industrial perfection.
From harvest to perfection, this is the true craft. If you enjoyed this journey, smash that subscribe.